Alright guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Thank you so much for 5K subscribers. We love all of you guys so much and we're so excited, so we're going to do a little giveaway, but stay tuned to the end of the video where we'll say what we're giving away and how you enter, okay? So let's get into the video. We're going to teach you a beginner cha-cha line dance. So we're going to learn it here together and let's go do it.
Alright, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 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 and beginning 1. So this is definitely designed for beginners. So if you are a little more advanced, already know some cha-cha basics, we do have some more advanced variations of cha-cha line dances, but much more advanced up on our website, so go check that out.
Alright, so this is 4 different 8 counts in this entire routine, so we're going to each teach 1 8 count at a time so we can kind of practice and go through this slowly. So everybody with the right foot free first to start. I'm going to go side of my right foot. I rock straight forward to my left foot and replace it back on my right foot. From here we do a chasse to the left, so I go side, together, side. I break backwards on my right foot, replace forwards on my left foot, and come back again side, together, side. This is a basic in cha-cha. Leaders and followers do the same exact basic. We just usually start on different sides. But since we're dancing by ourselves today, we're all doing the same thing. Going side, forward, back, side, together. Side, back, forward, side, together, side. So my timing for this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 into the next 8 count. If I count like a normal cha-cha, just in 4s, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So whichever version you prefer, just in 4s or an 8 count, to kind of make it easier for yourself. And now Lindsay's going to do the second 8 count.
Alright guys, so we're going to take it from the side, together, side on the right foot to start it out. So I go side, together, side, just finishing up what Chris did here. Now I'm going to rotate an 1/8 of a turn to my right. I'm going to step forward and across with my left foot forward, back on the right, back to the front, side, together, side. This time going an 1/8 of a turn to my left with my right foot forward and across, back, and then side, together, side into the next section, okay? So again, from the side, together, side on the right, we go side, together, side, forward, back, side, together, side, forward, back, side, together, side. With some timing, we'll go in 4s first. We go 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Okay, now if we were to count that in 8s, we would go 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and into the next section. All right, we're going to take it from the top, just connecting those first 2 parts together to practice. Starting on the right foot, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and.
All right, we're going to do the third 8 count now. So sidestep my right foot again to the next one, but this time now we're going to go backwards twice. So like before, when you rotate, I'm going to rotate an eighth of a turn to my left this time, so I can break backwards on my left foot, replace going forward, and I come back to the front, side, together, side. I now rotate an eighth of a turn to my right, so I can break backwards on my right foot, replace forward on my left foot, come back to the center, side, together, and then side into the final thing, right? So with that timing, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. If I do this in 8 counts, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. So far the structure of the routine is a basic 2 forward breaks, 2 back breaks. So if we go one time from the very beginning now, it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, 4, and. And now Lindsay will come in and teach you the last 8 count.
All right, let's finish this up. So if we take it from the same kind of thing, side together, side. We go side, together, side. This time we're all gonna do a turn. So if you've learned our other patterns or if they're not up yet, then this is new to all of us or maybe just the guys. So what we're gonna do for this one is we're actually gonna turn a quarter to our right. We're gonna step forward on the left foot and we're gonna pivot on that foot. From here, I'm going to step forward on the right foot this time, pivoting back to the front, just a quarter rotation, and then side together side. We're going to finish it up with just a half basic, rocking back, forward, and then we go back to the beginning, side, together. And this is our first step of our next repetition of the full thing, okay? So let's do that again. So if I just take a side step here, I have my left foot free, I rotate about a quarter, I take a step forward, rotate, I take a step forward, rotate, and then I go side together side, and then this part is just rocking back forward like our basic, side together, beginning. Let's do this with some timing. So I go 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Okay. Let's do that again. This time I'm going to break up the turn just a little bit more for those of you who are interested. So if I'm here on 1, I'm going to turn and, I step forward 2, I turn and, I step forward 3, I turn and I step to the side 4 and 1. So basically just counting and counts as our rotations for this 2, 3 section, okay? So a little sped up, but the same idea. I go and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. All right, let's do that one more time, this time in 8s from the 8 and 1, side together side. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, beginning. So we do have the option to rotate this if we wanted to. If we wanted to rotate this a quarter to the left, on this back rock, instead of just placing it back, keeping our focus forward, I'm gonna rotate and make this a backward step, pretty much where the right foot is, forward and then side together side facing my new wall. So that's your option if you wanted to rotate this around. So again, say I take it from the turn, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and beginning, facing a new wall, okay? That's always an option if you wanted to repeat it. So from the very beginning with some timing, we'll go kind of slow. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4 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 and repeat. Okay guys, so if you stuck here to the end, I hope you enjoyed that combination. And if you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is comment down below what your favorite dance is. Doesn't matter what kind of dance, if we have it up on our channel or not, just what your favorite kind of dance is, and we'll pick a winner or 5 different winners from there. You don't have to be subscribed or like this video to enter, but we do really appreciate it. I do really love these giveaways to go to people who've been supporting us and helping our channel get to where it is today. If you want to win, you're gonna get 1 month of a free membership to our subscription. Basically means it's our all access pass. So for 1 entire month, you'll get to see all of our content up on our website that's usually locked unless you're a member, for free, and then you can continue on from there if you'd like to. We want to give it away to 5 different people for $5K. So we're going to pick 5 different winners for that one, okay? We're probably going to keep this open for around a week, so make sure to comment down below as soon as you see this video, and we'll announce the winners on Instagram. So you can go ahead and follow our account on Instagram at Ballroom Feed. We're pretty much Ballroom Feed for all of our social media, and we're going to announce the winners over there, okay? So be sure to stay tuned for that, and make sure to check out the rest of our channel. We've got lots of stuff up for you, and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video. We post every Tuesday and Sunday right now. And that was a lot. So hopefully you guys enter and enjoyed the combination, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.